514, 417 Hummel Street, 417 Hummel, Officer Tara Hunter, Structure Fire Class 1, Captain 2, Ladder 2, Squad 8, Tower 1, Wagon 4, 637. Units are out to 417 Hummel. Police burns on the scene, advising heavy smoke from middle row, second, third floor. There's a hydrant in front of the structure.
Squad from Tower 1, we're coming in off Ferry Hill.
Okay, Tower 1.
Ladder 2, copy, director, coming in off of Ferry Hill.
County, Squad 8 arriving. Confirming a row of 3-story bricks. Middle of the row, we got a fire show on second floor front and in the rear.
They said there might be holes in there.
Yeah, they were getting doors off the first floor. Caleb and Cahill.
Yeah, you got 681 transferring with 3.
Oh, what's up, man? Here.
Okay, York engine 68113.
See if they got that line yet. Watch out. Yeah, we need doors. I got the cat yelling in here. In the floor in the hallway. Okay. Is there a hand line? Is there a hand line coming? I don't know, dude. He was there and then he fucking went. Alright. I think he's flagging 3. There we go. Good work.
up 2.
I think it's looking pretty good there. Yeah. Clearing up in here. Do we have a line up here? Yeah, somebody just hit all this. Okay. I think they're over there. They were trying to get us one through the window from Wagon 4. So if we get that, we should be good up here to knock all that out. They're putting the door over this hole right here. Is that just one hole? I think so. Okay. There was a line right here. Yeah, that looks like the 3rd floor. Hey, we got a hose now. Oh, now that we don't need it. Yeah, right. I'm at 450. Oh, it's a smooth bore. We're gonna try to fucking bend some of this shit. You can bend that. I think it's coming from another little place. Yeah. I think we got it all in here. Oh, hey, it's coming from the front floor. You see it up there? Yeah. Can I hook it? Try to. I can try and swap. Once I get water on this. What the fuck is this? I think you can hit that. Command for Tower 1. That's the rear 250.
Wagon 4, Chief 3. Start that hand line.
Yeah, I don't want it on.
Wagon 4. You ready for water? Yeah. Charge the 250 off the rear. After Tower 1, can you stay here or go to the roof and give him a hand? I'm ready for ladder 2.
Your kick's pretty good, you alright? Yeah, I got it. Alright.
Alright.
Everyone yelling. I want to be a KP. Yo. You want to try to push the 3? Yeah, sure. All right. Where's it at? You know where you're going? Right here on the right. Yeah, go ahead. Just check the board and shit. You want to go up ahead of you? Hey. Yeah. Let me go ahead of you. Who's that in front of you? In front of me? 69. 69.
Did you want to charge your
Who specifically?
Ahead roof.
Hogan. Who? Hogan? Alright.
We need some help up here. If you can get 34 to maybe come up
Coming
here
up?
instead of worrying about their ladder pipe, that would be great. Jamie, you got some truckmen from 34 climbing your stick shortly. Alright, this roof's kicking our ass. It's a lot of layers and we're fighting it. Alright, you got some truckmen coming. They're in a route right now. Jamie, I also got 2 more from 32 coming with you. And you want me to go up on a roof too?
Command, we knocked all the fire 2nd floor on 614 and we just made it up to the 3rd floor. Yep, go ahead.
Command from G5.
Into the front bedroom. Alright. Look at this wall. Yeah. Yo, Zach! Alright. We're trying to hit some of this shit.
Command from G5.
Right here. I don't know what's over there. It's like, that's not much.
Yeah, G5. We're working with Company 50. We're on the south side of the row here trying to get up on the roof. We don't have a truck company on this side, do we?
You good, Bert?
Negative. We got it pretty much locked out.
What's
34 is the other truck has access to the rear.
Oh.
Okay. Captain 1.
Yo, Zach.
Captain 1 from G1.
Zach. There's a hole right here. Right here. Behind me, there's a hole. Okay. Go into this bedroom.
Be careful, you got firemen on the roof. Go to Captain 1. You guys are clear of that fire building, right?
You see it?
That's affirmative. We do have a hallway to the fire building. Awesome. Okay, we're going to fire those master beams up from the Charlie side then.
Whoa.
Okay, you hit the 3rd floor.
What's up? There's
They're
a
going to
hole
try,
right
the
there.
step gun's going to be a little difficult because it's free.
Who's got that line?
Okay.
Huh? Where's the star?
Have personnel in the Bravo exposure top floor. Captain 1 to firefighter Riddle. Pull everybody out from that Charlie side bedroom right now. Alright, Cap, we'll hold that now. Give us about 1 minute.
Take them out here. Take them out this window eventually.
We're heading towards that. Southwest Riddle. We are in 415. The Bravo exposure is 5 Charlie. They're going to open up a check gun onto the fire building. Okay, Captain, we have a ton of people up here in the Bravo exposure, Class 1. Okay. Trip 1, you copy that? Negative. Lieutenant 410 is reporting that he's got people on the 3rd floor of 415 Bravo exposure. He made it from the Bravo 1 exposure through a hallway. Alright, they're playing water on the original fire building now. Lieutenant 410, Captain 1. Open up what you can in the ceiling, and then find the area to take records. So you guys don't get flashy with the check gun.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Well, we're working. We have fire not down the roof, it looks like.
Way down the room. Oh, this window? Yeah. Where are you going down there? Well,
Come in from D5.
We're on the 3rd floor.
Go ahead.
What's that? We're on the 3rd floor. I know.
Captain, can we open a Harrisburg hallway from the south side into the 3rd floor of the fire building?
It might take us a while.
We can do one from 415, yes. Copy. Get it from 413 over to 415. If you want to do one from 415 into the main fire building, that'll work. Come in. Where's the north exposure?
Is this the doorway?
Come in, mechanic.
Yeah, is this the doorway? Yeah.
Whoever's working on the steps on this door, turn your path alarm off. Got it. Been even operating 40 minutes. Message on boosting. No answer. Copy. Yeah, for the roof. Bad roof. Yeah, we got a decent trench from front to back up here on the 3rd. It looks pretty clear over here. I don't think it got this far.
That's what I was thinking.
See if 34 can reach us.
Guys good?
Yeah.
Hey, there were guys.